second the bag. The wheel's trying to take control. The wheel.
Good? You good? You good?
Yep, I'm good.
Tell Tim we're done.
He knows.
Yeah, don't put your hands up whenever you're falling, buddy.
You good?
Yep. I'm good.
Well. It's in park.
Oh.
Gerald, can you climb out?
Can you climb out? Well, that went well.
Give me that. I got the helmet. Here, pull that handle out. I got that ready to pull out of there. Okay, that's out of your way.
You can put your
Gerald,
legs down if you can.
off.
Can't.
Yeah.
You ready, Gerald?
Yeah.
All right, seatbelt is off. All right. Yeah, right there. Gerald, put your hand up here. Put your other hand.
Fuck.
Put your other hand up here, Gerald.
Well, we didn't die.
I told you Nicholai was going to be the one to roll.
Yeah, he's good. I just see him when we were rolling, he went to stick his hand out. I was like, no.
Don't stick your hand out the window, whatever you do. There. Okay. Up over here. Woo. Climb out. Alright. Climb out, Nicholai, through the front windshield.
Oh.
Alright, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're up. Alright, I'll roll it down the hill for you.
Well, we didn't die.
Was it gas or just water?
I think it's gas. I think it's some gas that's leaking out of it.
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
It was eventful.
I knew we were going over.
That's going to need to be tweaked a little bit to get it to shut. Okay.